Greetings everyone, Roman Bijoy is here. In this video we are watching how to create an installation art from any place or any creative site that you really want to feel in art. So let's start this video. Here I selected a place in my university. That place I found a cutting tree, so I try to modify this tree as a oxygen zone, because nowadays deforestation is really a big attempt of human being to destroy nature. So I think this is the main key point of my artwork. Here I used red color in that time, so all the red color I try to show that this trees also bleeding like human being, and they had feelings, and they had also some impression and expression and emotion also. So here is the process where I brushed this red color blood. So my main motto was oxygen zone, because I think that oxygen is like Wi-Fi network. Without Wi-Fi nowadays our life is just like a so I try to use this Wi-Fi symbol as oxygen zone in my artwork, but there have a common thing in that place. I try to show in password like don't cut down trees, and the Wi-Fi network is like globalization problem or deforestation, whatever we say. So this simple concept I try to aware people about. We should plant more trees. When we will cut down trees, we will do this thing and try to more improve our mother nature with some good tree plantation. So this is the preparation of my artwork. I did that artwork in one day, but I had a long thinking journey. So this basic concept is really connected people, because I try to connect more and more people who will show this type of symbol like Wi-Fi. When they came to this place, they surprised like what is going on here. When they read this thing, they found out about the oxygen zone and the environment issue network, and the password is cutting tree. So it will be little more modify our mentality and also mindset to grow more trees. And this is really very much bad things for ourselves. So this is the whole composition in this cutting down tree, and I put almost like 10 or 15 pages of Wi-Fi symbol. So this is the end here. This is not is just only our duty to save our nature. We should do this type of responsibility together, because nowadays trees are really running out and the using of cutting trees is too much. So there have a study that showed in everyday people cutting down trees like every kilometer in a area or place, whatever we say. So this is really very much necessary for us to plant more and more trees, because without it our life and our existence is just going down. So in this installation art I want to show about natural and nature. So here is a collaboration type work, but you will also find so many different type of work in internet. So this is just a demo for anyone who try to do this type of installation artwork, and also really want to be a part of an artwork. Nowadays art is not stay in gallery, but art is a broad range of thinking that connected with people or any community or any type of local community, ever in internet. So in this part we will know and learn about little bit installation art and what is installation art practice and what type of installation art is really effective for public engagement with any sort of artwork. So we are deep diving to this type of theoretical based practice. So after you will continue this video, you will see this all this stuff step by step. So let's start.